Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to insert an up and a down arrow marked in green and red into the format of the cells. We can actually do that in few simple steps. Step 1, you just go to insert, we go to symbol, and then we insert the up arrow, insert, down arrow, insert, close. The second step is to blend those arrows in the format of those cells. So I want to think of the end result. My end result should have a cell with a percentage that shows the answer. And if the answer is positive, I want the up arrow to be there, and I want the cell to be colored in green. And if the answer is negative, I want the cell to be colored in red, which means the text colored in red, of course. And I want the cell to have a down arrow right next to the answer. So let's do that. First of all, we have to select the cells that we want to work on. Control 1 or right-click Format Cells. They will open this table. We go to the Custom, and here we can customize how we want to have our format of the cells. So if the answer is positive, I should have it in green. The answer should be, we can have it without decimals, we can have it with decimals. So 0.00%. And then I'm going to put the up arrow. So I paste it. Semicolon, space. And if the answer is negative, I want to have it in red. 0.00 also percentage. And I want it to have a down arrow also right next to it. Press OK. And the table will show the adjustment. Now, if I wanted to have only a percentage without the decimal, I can easily take off the decimals. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the content of this video, please give me that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to stay informed of all the videos that will be coming soon. Thank you guys.